Stop scrolling. Ever uploaded a stunning image to your website just to watch your site slow to a crawl? What if you could shrink any photo, AVIF, WEBP, PNG, JPEG, to tiny size without losing an ounce of quality in just 5 seconds? No Photoshop, no plugins, no tech headaches. Just upload, click, and boom. Your site loads lightning fast. Your SEO gets a boost, and every pixel stays crisp. Today, I will show you how TinyPNG, the best online image compressor, can speed up any website, even if you have never done image editing in your life. Want faster load times and happier visitors? Stick around till the end. I will drop the link down below so you can try it yourself or grab a subscription if you need it. I am Saif, digital product geek and honest of my channel. Let's dive in. Now let's see how this software works or this tool works. So first, I want to convert different types of images to compress it in the small size from a big size to a smaller size. So there are 4 types of image. I can compress it or resize it to a smaller size. It could be AVIF format, it could be WebP format, it could be PNG format, or it could be JPG or JPG format. Just you need to upload your big size image here, and it will automatically compress the image without sacrificing the quality of the image. So in my computer, I have 3 images in 3 file size. Like one is JPG, another is WebP, and the next one is PNG format, and the next one is APIV. So let's convert the PNG file first. Now we can see the file size of the image first. It's 740 KB. So I want to upload it to compress it in a minimal size or in a lower size. The image has been uploaded and it compressed the size 54%. And now the current size is 348 KB. It was 756 KB. So this is the image. I can now download it, just clicking here, and the image has been downloaded. See, the image quality is still good, like the original image. No, the quality decreased in the image here. So now let's convert another image. It is like WebP format image, and I'm converting it. So the original image was 275 KB, and the compressed image size is 147 KB, and it converted or it minimized percent of the image. I can now download it just from here, clicking here. So image has been downloaded. So let's say I want to convert now this image. This is a PNG image. Again, this has been compressed by 72%, and the original image size was 910, and the now converted image size is 254 KB. I can download it, so without losing the quality of the image. Now let's convert the AVIF version. My image has been converted AVIF format to JPG. So one thing you should remember, that once we upload the image in our website, we should always try to upload a minimal size image so that my web page web speed is still good. Or to make my website fast, I always need to resize my image, converted it PNG or other file size to JPG or WebP format with a very minimal size. So this image also converted 10%, and now this is the result. So this way you can convert or you can compress any larger image size to a very small image size without losing the image quality. And then you can use it in your WordPress website or any other website so that it makes your website more fast or without any types of interruption. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please subscribe my channel.